Let me ask you something. If millions of people believe in a dog breed, if the world calls it by a name, if it even wins competitions and fills YouTube videos, does that mean the breed truly exists? And here is the shocking part. What if one of the world's most famous breeds is not a real breed at all? Before we dive into this mystery, please subscribe to this channel as it reveals the truth behind legendary dogs. And now, let's step into the story of a dog that became a worldwide myth. The global name that confuses the world. All across the USA, the UK, and many other countries, people proudly say, "This is an Anatolian Shepherd dog, strong, loyal, majestic, a legendary guardian of Anatolia." But here is the twist that few people know. In Turkey, where these dogs supposedly come from, there is no such breed. Not in the official records, not in the national standards, not in the cultural history, not even as a concept. The name Anatolian Shepherd Dog simply does not exist as a pure, recognized Turkish breed. And how did this happen? Why does the whole world use the name that does not exist at all, where the dogs themselves were born? The real guardian breeds of Turkey. In Turkey, there are real, officially recognized guardian breeds: the Kangal, the Akbaş, the Karstok, and several true regional types. These are the pure lines, protected, documented, genetically preserved through careful breeding. So where does the Anatolian Shepherd fit in? Here is the truth. The origin of the mixed population. For decades, in many villages across Anatolia, dogs mated freely. No pedigrees, no controlled breeding, no selection based on pure lineage. A female from one village could mate with several males during her heat. Some males were Kangals, others were village dogs, mongrels, pariah dogs, or random guardian types living in the streets. And from this uncontrolled pairing, a huge population of mixed village dogs was born. These dogs sometimes resembled Kangals from far away, but were not purebred Kangals at all. Yet foreign breeders looked at these mixed dogs, saw their similar coat colors, and said, "This must be the Anatolian Shepherd dog." A name was created, a breed standards was invented, and the world adopted a label for a population that was never a true breed. Why they are not pure Kangals? Yes, from a distance, some of these dogs look a bit like Kangals. The fawn coat, the dark mask, the guardian posture. But when you look closely, they are smaller. The body is not lion-like. The muzzle is not edged sharply. The tail does not curl the same way. The temperament is not as strong or stable. Their colors vary wildly, and even piebald is common, and they lack the uniform character that real Kangals are famous for. These dogs resemble Kangals only in coat color, nothing more. But because they lived all throughout Anatolia, foreign visitors grouped them under one big name, Anatolian Shepherd Dog, even though no Turkish expert has ever recognized such a breed. The uncomfortable truth. So the truth is simple. The Anatolian Shepherd Dog is not a purebred. It is a label given to a large, mixed population of village dogs. Dogs created from uncontrolled mating between real Kangals and various other dogs. They are beautiful, hard-working, loyal dogs, but they are not a specific breed with a pure identity. The world believes in a name, but the name does not exist in Turkey's official dog history. So here is the final question for you, and I truly want your thoughts in the comments. If a dog becomes famous worldwide under a name that does not exist in its homeland, is the breed defined by its genetics or by what the world chooses to believe? Let me know what you think. And if you enjoy uncovering the real stories behind legendary dogs, like this video, subscribe so you never miss the next truth we uncover. Sometimes the truth is simple, but sometimes it's hidden in plain sight. See you in the next video.